Hello, brothers. I have completely done for Kajabi, GFO tracking and Google Ads conversion tracking. So I have already implemented a lot of stacks for Kajabi. This is all tracks. The GFO exchange course, GFO job seeker course, and GFO LinkedIn course. This is the GFO course tracking. And I have also implemented the three Google Ads conversion. Okay. So I will now check in the preview mode. Is it everything okay or not? Okay. So actually, this is our. At first, I will check mm, the first one. Okay, just copy the thank you URLs and just copy the thank you URL. So this is and then now just on paste there. So this is the thank you page, and it will be fire within minutes. So the first one is the LinkedIn course. Okay, so we have to wait. If I go to the preview mode, my internet is little bit slow, and that's why it takes time. It's loading. Okay, and the LinkedIn course is fire in there, as well as the Google Ads conversion track also fire in there. Okay, if I go to the preview mode in GA4, and then yeah, LinkedIn courses is coming, and their currency is NOK, and the value is 990. Okay, so it's absolutely working. So I'll go to the next URL, like this is the URL to see, and also press in there, enter. Okay, it's firing. See if I click to the okay, it's already working, content loaded. So our job seeker course is G4 and it's firing in there, as well as Google Ads. If I go to the G4 preview mode, then we'll understand. Yeah, it's coming. The job seeker start help. The currency is NOK, and there is value is 6,900. Okay, so I will go to the next one. This is the course price value. Thank you page URL. Just click this. Okay, so this is the last one. We will click on there. If I click the content loaded, then the exchange of exchange course, and if I click this, and this is the value Google Ads course. This is also the value. Okay, so now I will click in the G4, then understand. It's already this is coming within a minutes. Sorry, within a second. Exactly, exchange course. So this is the currency is in okay, and this is their value, and this is the page location. This is the thank you URL. Okay, so actually this is working perfectly, and our Google Ads conversion tracking also work in fire with if I click on there, then all event is firing. Okay.